Learn Finnish fast. Have equals.
Olla.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey do, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll learn how English have becomes Finnish.
Olla.
With handy phrases like
Minulla on.
I have. We'll keep it punchy, playful, and practical, plus a few grown-worthy jokes. Your learning goal today. By the end, do can confidently say I have to they have in Finnish, and even clap the rhythm. English target. Have, I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, plural, they have. Finnish key. Base verb is
Olla.
Possession uses on, with the adessive.
Minulla on, sinulla on, hänellä on, sillä on, meillä on, teillä on, heillä on.
Quick forms. I have. They have. Repeat after me, do, short, sweet, and sticky. Have. Finnish base.
Olla.
I have.
Minulla on.
You have, singular.
Sinulla on.
He has.
Hänellä on.
She has.
Hänellä on.
It has.
Sillä on.
We have.
Meillä on.
You have, plural.
Teillä on.
They have.
Heillä on.
Mini dialogue at the cafe. Let's eavesdrop, then jump in yourself, do. A. Do you have a pen? B. Yes.
Minulla on kynä.
A. Great, he has paper.
Hänellä on paperia.
B. And she has the tickets.
Hänellä on liput.
A. The phone? It has battery.
Sillä on akku.
B. We have snacks.
Meillä on eväitä.
A. You have maps, plural you.
Teillä on kartat.
B. They have the plan.
Heillä on suunnitelma.
Narrator, whisper, and the secret bridge behind all this possession is
Olla.
beat drill. Clap the pattern. Clap with me, do, on each on, give a clap. Clap, I have.
Minulla on.
Clap. Clap, you have.
Sinulla on.
Clap. He has.
Hänellä on.
Clap. She has.
Hänellä on.
Clap. It has.
Sillä on.
Clap. We have.
Meillä on.
Double clap. You have, plural.
Teillä on.
Double clap. They have.
Heillä on.
Double clap. Punchline. In Finnish, to have it on, you don't have it.
Olla.
Has it. Okay, do can grown now. Culture tip. How Finns have things. Quick culture nugget, do. Finnish doesn't use a direct have verb in everyday possession. It says something like on me, you, etc. There is. That's why you hear
Minulla on.
coffee,
Sinulla on.
a ticket, or
Meillä on.
time, super common at cafes, stations, and saunas. Lightning quiz. Answer out loud, do, then I'll reveal the solution. 1. Translate. We have time. Answer.
Meillä on aikaa.
2. Fill in. You have, singular, a key. Answer.
Sinulla on avain.
3. Which Finnish base verb underlies have? Answer.
Olla.
4. Say, they have tickets. Answer.
Heillä on liput.
5. True or false, it has equals.
Se on.
Answer. False, it has equals.
Sillä on.
Challenge. Your turn. Ready, do? Build 3 sentences fast. Say, I have coffee, you have sugar, we have cups. Model answers.
Minulla on kahvia. Sinulla on sokeria. Meillä on kuppeja.
Bonus speedrun all forms. I have.
Minulla on.
You have, SG.
Sinulla on.
He has.
Hänellä on.
She has.
Hänellä on.
It has.
Sillä on.
We have.
Meillä on.
You have, place.
Teillä on.
They have.
Heillä on.
Thanks and wrap up. Nice work, do, high five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing have equals.
Olla.
With.
Minulla on. Sinulla on. Hänellä on. Sillä on. Meillä on. Teillä on. Heillä on.
For more bite-sized lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Ketos and see you next time.